Hello! Welcome to another episode of After School Kids Lab. This is a program we have every Wednesday where we post a fun video of us doing something new. It could be a craft, a science experiment, a game, or a skill. This week, we are going to be doing bunny line drawing or line art. There's only two things that you really need for doing this project. One of them is paper. We have a template for our bunny. Here's our bunny rabbit. And you can print that off by clicking on the link that is in this post description. And then we're going to decorate our bunny using markers. Markers work pretty well. You can also try things like pens, especially if they come in different colors, colored pencils, or crayons. So let's get started. Like I mentioned, you can find a template for the outline of the bunny in the link in this post description. If you would rather draw your own rabbit, you can visit the website also linked in this post description to learn how. Once you have your rabbit, you can make this project as simple or complex as you want. The basic idea is to fill the individual sections of the bunny with lines. To make a fur-like texture, you can do straight and slanted lines. The closer the lines are together, the furrier your rabbit will appear. However, some space between the lines is good to create contrast between the lines and the white background. When you're done filling in the rabbit, you don't have to stop there. You can, for example, add some spring flowers to the background to make your bunny look right at home. While the first rabbit was drawn with typical rabbit colors, don't feel you're limited to certain hues. You can add a pattern of different colors, or you can incorporate as many colors as you want. The background need not be realistic either. Make a green moon, for instance, or purple stars. Use your creativity. In fact, the sections of this rabbit do not have to be filled in with standard lines. They can be filled with anything, shapes, crisscross lines, swirls, or any pattern you want. Filling each section with doodles has a very dazzling effect. So now it's time for me to ask you some questions. After all, this is After School Kids, or Ask Lab. Did you notice any elements of art in this project? To give you a clue, there are 7 main elements of art. Line is one of the elements being used here, but there are others you may recognize as well. Also, how did you do creating your own rabbit line drawing? Did you use any unique patterns, colors, or ideas? Let us know by commenting or sharing a photo on our Facebook page. And don't forget to click the like button if you like this video. We would love to hear from all of our After School Kids Lab viewers. We hope you enjoy making your own line drawing or art. Next week, we are going to be making unicorn kinetic sand. Until then, bye!